Some of our local resources will not allow or will not invite a new innovator or whatever to present to the local investor network unless they have gone through the effort of writing and submitting an SBIR STTR grant application, because that forces them to think in that manner. So it's a good tool. It's a very good tool.
Yeah, I think that's true, and I think it's almost like a badge of honor, because when you do want to go for private equity, the fact that you've had a series of SBIR grants funded, it goes in your favor.
Well, I want to thank our panel for a great discussion today. Please join me in thanking them. I also want to thank Research and Graduate Studies, the Office of Innovation and Economic Development, ECU TV, who's done a wonderful job in recording all of these sessions, Aramark for providing the food. We couldn't offer this program or the entire forum without their support. Our next forum will be Friday, June the 5th. We are starting to get into summer now, not just at the end of the semester, but we have one more topic we got to cover, and I just didn't want to wait till fall. And that's sort of part 2 of this latest series, and that's how do I fund a project development. Phase 2 is bootstrapping an early stage investment capital. So I think it's going to be a really good conversation, and I hope you'll come back with us. We also have a very good friend and supporter, Mark Phillips from the North Carolina Biotechnology Center, who's going to join us and talk about the loan program from NCBC for those who have biotech-related projects. That would be good. And then also I want to invite you, for those who would like to have more of a one-on-one conversation with our panelists and some of our other, we've got a load of SBTDC people here in the audience. If you'd like to stay and talk with any of them about experience or guidance on SBIR or STTR grants, they're here this afternoon for breakout sessions. So I want to thank you again. John, did you want to tell us a little bit about what you envisioned the breakouts to be like? Or?
Sure. So Mike Carnes in the red shirt here, myself are both part of our technology development and commercialization team. You know, perhaps we could break it out into, you know, agency-specific topics. You know, I'd be happy to take, you know, NIH, or you take NIH, NSF, DOD. So why don't you take NIH type stuff, and I'll take anything else? No.
And don't be put off by the agencies, because you'd be surprised what NSF and DOD will fund that sounds an awful lot like NIH kind of funding, and vice versa. Thank you very much.